In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate task assignments in Monday.com fast and easy. Are you ready to streamline your workflow and boost your team's productivity? Well, you're in the right place as we're about to dive into the step-by-step process. So let's get started. First, open up the board where you want to automate task assignments. Take a moment to scan through your board to ensure everything is set up and ready for automation. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface because that's where the magic begins. Click on Automations. This is your gateway to making your board smarter and more efficient. Once you're in the Automation Center, you'll notice a button labeled Create Custom Automation. Go ahead and click it. By choosing to create a custom automation, you're giving yourself the flexibility to tailor the automation to meet your specific needs. This can really help in ensuring that the tasks are assigned in the way that makes the most sense for your workflow. Next, you need to define a trigger and action. Think of the trigger as the event that sets your automation into motion. For instance, a common trigger is when a task's status changes, perhaps from not started to in progress. Once the trigger is established, it's time to choose an action. Here, you'll want to select an action that actually assigns a person to the task. Monday.com allows you to assign tasks to a specific team member, which is perfect for automatically distributing work as the project progresses. This step is crucial as it determines how and when tasks are assigned, keeping everything on track and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Now that you've set both a trigger and an action, there's just one more step. It's time to save that automation. This step might seem straightforward, but it's important to double-check everything, making sure that the trigger action sequence is exactly how you want it. When you're sure everything looks good, simply click Save. This ensures your automation is actively running and ready to do its job. Congratulations! You've just automated your task assignments in Monday.com. From here on out, you can sit back and let the automation take care of assigning tasks, freeing up more time for you to focus on other important aspects of your projects. Remember, automation is all about minimizing manual work and eliminating repetitive tasks. It's a small change with a big impact, setting the stage for a more efficient, productive team environment. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.